To keep healthy, you need only pure and safe water. Presenting the Kent Supreme Lite, a wall-mountable entry-level domestic water purifier that comes with an advanced double purification of RO and UF that makes water pure and safe for drinking by removing even dissolved impurities. It also comes with an adjustable TDS control system that intelligently retains essential natural minerals in purified water. The high purification capacity of 20 litre per hour, large 8 litre storage capacity and ABS construction makes this purifier ideal for your entire family and any type of water. So, order Kent Supreme Lite today and bring home purity and safety for you and your entire family.
समझौता न करें, केंट आरओ ही लाएं, बेस्ट लाएं।